The Samsung Z Fold 6 is undeniably a good device, but it's not Samsung's finest folding phone. Because there is currently a version available that is superior in several important aspects. We're talking about better cameras, larger screens, a sleeker, thinner design, and a far less apparent crease. Basically everything we were hoping the Zold 6 would bring to the table from the start, so if you jumped in and bought the regular Fold 6, you're probably a little bit disappointed. But here's where things get exciting. Samsung appears to have learned from this and isn't making the same mistakes with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. The CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, Ross Young, recently spilled some tea on himself. Specifications for the Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 will feature display sizes similar to the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, so an 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch cover display sounds pretty good, right? The one thing we were all expecting for, future S Pen support, may not come, which is a bit of a disappointment. According to Ross Young, the Z Fold 7 will not have a digitizer, which is a vital component that allows the S Pen to function. This means there will be no S Pen support and no place to store the S Pen in the device, which hurts a bit. Sure, eliminating the digitizer will make the phone somewhat thinner, 0.6mm, but losing the S Pen feature seems like a step backwards. But don't worry, there's some good news on the way. Samsung intends to deploy a completely new technology that will enable stylus input without the requirement for a digitizer, so you may be wondering how this is feasible. It's all about electrostatic induction. If you're familiar with the Apple Pencil, you'll know that it uses active electrostatic technology. This means that the pen itself has a battery and electrical components inside, making it thicker and requiring charging. But the beauty of this system is that the display does not require any extra parts, allowing the device to remain thinner and sleeker. So you have pen input without the need for additional space or display components, which might be a game changer in the foldable market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.